Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel. And write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about the figures by NCAP, the accidental figures which are done for 2022 is 4,03,000, and out of that, every 4 minutes, one person is dead in a road accident. This is done majorly on many reasons. The reasons are people driving carelessly, overspeeding and overtaking with high speeds, and this accident happened, and also without having car without basic safety features. So the global new car assist program is an agency which does crash testing for all the new cars from the manufacturer. So the manufacturer takes the car and get it tested there with adult and as well as child compatible. So when the crash is done, testing is done with different speeds, it will rate, the agency will rate how the safety of the car or the adult or the child. If it is, let's say, 5-star for adult and 4-star for child. So this rating agency checks every car and gives rating as 5-star, 4 stars, 2-star, etc. Depends on the crash test. So if the 5-star is available for a car for adult and as child, that means it is the safest car, and the build of the body is safe for Indian roads. So happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitrakas. Thank you.